So we're gonna do our full performance package for the Urus. It's basically catless downpipes, high flow air filter, stage 2 ECU tune, some other little goodies. It's gonna make it pick up, in the 800 horsepower range. So.
I'm Lambros Steve. Today I'm at Extreme Off-Road and Performance. I'm here to see Austin and I'm in the Urus. Now, I've been here before. This is the place that tuned the Rolls Royce. You've seen his Urus on the channel. It's that white one right there. But I'm here today for some performance adjustments to the Urus. So we're gonna run inside and talk to Austin about what we're doing and what it'll do to the car. Okay, people, I've made it inside. We're in the area where in the previous video, with Travis might throw a link in here when I came to Extreme, they had the Urus that was sitting right here that went all purple on the inside. There's some pretty cool cars in here that I wanted to show for those who haven't seen it yet. Stairs, but check this thing out. This is a sweet little, I guess that's a 488? I don't know. Okay guys, so they do a bunch of work for a lot of the football and NBA and NFL people, stars around, and basically up here they have that little lounge that's there that you can literally sit in there if you're like waiting on your car to get done, dropping it off for some touch-ups. And then they do a ton of trucks. I mean, look at this stuff. Look at these trucks, they just have, and look at this trophy after trophy after trophy. Pretty cool. And then I think this area is the kind of like the kitchen break room area, less extra parts for Mustang area. Big old fridge. Some of their vinyl wrap stuff back into the showroom. So, pretty doggone cool place, man, if you ask me. So, in a minute, they're doing their morning meeting. I'm here early, so in a minute, I'll have Austin give us the rundown of everything that they're gonna do to the Urus. We'll be back with that in a minute, but check this place out. I mean, so we're in Katy, Texas, which is just the northwest side of Houston. This is where this is, right off of I-10, and what a sweet place. Things cool, look at this. They sell a lot of Forgiatos and a lot of big giant truck wheels, specialty forged. And I showed you the showroom in the previous video where they have all the Forgiatos. It's pretty freaking amazing. There he is. I'm gonna give him the key to my Urus. They're gonna pull it around and then we're gonna go in and see what they're gonna do. What's up, buddy?
What's up?
Okay, I'm ready. Ready? This is it. By the way, notice the new key. Lambo, don't drop it. He's gonna bring it around and then we'll go in there and talk about what we're gonna do. All right, people, we've made it into the back of the shop. Now we're gonna fire this thing up so you can see what it sounds like now, and then Austin's gonna tell us what he's gonna do to it.
So we're gonna do our full performance package for the Urus. It's basically catless downpipes, high flow air filter, stage 2 ECU tune, some other little goodies. It's gonna make it pick up, in the 800 horsepower range. So
Cat bypass,
down.
fab speed, exhaust downpipes, is that what it is?
Yeah.
See, I don't know what these parts are, but it's the exhaust and downpipes, and it goes around the cats, which means it's not gonna dampen it. But the turbo's still dampening a little bit. A little bit, but so this is the exact same setup as you did to your Urus.
Yes.
And I saw that at MSR Houston, and I was like, oh my God, I love that exhaust. So let's fire it up, and we'll see what it sounds like. And then in the next video, when I come back to get it, we'll have to do a little comparison of what it sounds like then and what it sounds like now. Austin said it's a sad Urus. We're gonna make it a happy Urus. Okay guys, that's it. They're starting to take it apart already. I'm gonna be back in 3 or 4 days. I gotta fly back to Tulsa tonight to, well, I got a job, I gotta go work. But in 3 days, 4 days, maybe this Friday, today's Monday. So on Friday, I'm gonna fly back to come get the car, and we will film a follow-up video that shows the difference between what it sounded like before now as a sad Urus and what it sounds like then if you're in Houston or not. See, I brought my car all the way from Oklahoma to come get worked on here because this is the guy that does the Urus work and the tunes. And again, there's his Urus. Sounds disgusting. And I'm at Extreme Off-Road and Performance. Thanks for watching. Make sure you drop a like, turn on notifications of these videos, and We will see you in the next video. Later.
Try